Today we're looking at how you can connect an external instrument to the MPC. Specifically today we got the RD-8 here. This is a clone of the analog 808 drum machine from Roland. Be checking out some sounds in this and making a beat. Let's go. All right, let's start off with some claps. Let's see claps here. Let's put them on 2 and 4. Yeah, let's get some layer with some snares. Like that. Let's add in some low congas. I want that mid one here, so with this one, take these off. Like that, like that. All right, I think that's all we need on the drum side here. Let's stop this. Let's get out of record mode. And now we're gonna sync this up to the MPC. So in order to do that, we need to go into menu, preferences, and we need to go to MIDI sync, and we need to make sure that the RD-8 is set to sync here. And we also need to be sending out MIDI clock. So on the instrument side, on the RD-8 side, I'm going to change this over here to USB because I'm coming out of the USB cable here. All right, let's see if this syncs up. I got my BPM set to 100 here. There it goes. All right, looking good, sounding good. Let's slow this down just a little bit. Perfect.
I've created a system that shows you how to take inspiration once you find it and turn it into a great sounding song. And the best part is I'm providing a big discount to my subscribers. Please see the link and discount code in the description.
All right, if I really wanted to, I could individually track out every instrument or every sound from the RD-8 into the MPC, but I think for now, I'm just going to take all the drum sounds out into the MPC, so let's go ahead and do that. So I want to make sure my monitor is set to in. I set my input to 1 because this is actually a mono device. Yeah, let's just hit record. When it gets to the end of the loop, the MPC will automatically stop recording and go into overdub mode. Looks like we have what we need. Let me turn this down to see if it's actually in the MPC. Turn off monitor. Yeah. All right, so the next thing I want to do is I actually want to make a 808 sound out of the bass drum here. So I'm going to go to the bass drum. I'm going to turn up the decay, but first I'm going to create a key group, go to record, so I can actually hear this, mono, set to 1, turn my sound back up. You see I'm getting a pretty good signal there. All right, so let's actually make this as long as possible. Hear the tone here, keep it nice and low. All right, let's see if we can get that into the MPC. All right, that should be all that we need. I am going to keep that track none. I'm going to keep this, and we're going to go back into main. I need to go into sample edit. Take this last one here. That's perfect. Now I need to go into samples. I need to assign this sample. So go into memory And it should be this one. All right, let's see what we got. Perfect. And there it is, everybody. The RD-8 drum machine. Syncing it up, recording it into the MPC. Until next time, thanks for joining. If you haven't liked and subscribed, I would love for you to come be a part of the channel. Until next time, keep having fun, keep making music. Peace.